Hello, hello, hello. How you doing today, guys? So today, growing with Jay. Guys, something that I want to show you guys. These are my tomato plants. So what I just did, if you can see, compared to how they used to look, they were a lot bushier the last time you saw them. But just now, as you can see right here, just kind of defoliated a little bit to help drive the main energy to fruit production. I took off the excess leaves and left the top two, you know, branches, left them alone. Everything else, just kind of cleaned it up. Came in here and just took away the excess stem that was unneeded. Now here, there's gonna be another shoot that is gonna produce right here. I'll leave that alone. I'll let that grow. But that branch that was under there, tore it right off. And all I did was just toss it right here. These are the branches right here. This is all I did. This is all I did. Just took them off and just tossed them. But these right here, they're not gonna produce any fruit. They're just gonna keep growing and taking up excess energy that is unneeded and unwanted at this stage, and even at a later stage. That nutrient and energy can be directed elsewhere and used in a greater way rather than some of these fan leaves. But just things that I've done over the years, just trying different techniques, seeing what works, seeing what doesn't. But I've done this plenty other times. It just helps boost up the growth, the top growth, to keep forming these shoots right here where my finger is. See right here, all of these are gonna be flowers, and after they flower, they're gonna be cherry tomatoes or bigger tomatoes. But I do believe these are my cherry tomato plants, if I remember correctly. Now, with these pepper plants, I'm gonna start doing the same thing with them. They haven't had enough growth to them yet, but once they get a little taller, I'll go ahead and start a similar process to what you do with cannabis when it comes to topping. I'm gonna do the same thing to my pepper plants and my tomato plants to give them more fruiting sites to produce more tomatoes, more peppers when it comes to the tomato plant and the pepper plant. I need to come out here and chop my spring onion. Honestly, this joker just keeps sprouting and keeps growing and growing and growing. I need to chop this so I can use this. Like, I'll cut this down and I'll chop it up and use it in my ramen. But yeah, soon I'll be taking y'all on the journey, showing y'all exactly what to do and how to produce more fruiting sites on your peppers and tomatoes. But I just thought I'd give y'all a quick little, tour of the garden, show y'all what's going on since the last time we met up and had a little conversation. But either way, I want to just say, hey, y'all have a great day. Get out there and grow. Just want to say thank you, man. Appreciate y'all for locking in with me. Appreciate y'all for just tapping in and showing some love. Because I'm going to keep showing love to y'all as much as y'all keep showing love to me. Even if you don't show love, I'm going to still show love and extend a helping hand and share knowledge as much as I can. But till the next time we meet, peace. One love, baby.